Welcome again and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. And yes, I'm still in that Olympic fever after Elaine Thompson secured another medal for Jamaica in the 200-meter final, which saw the likes of Shelley and Fraser coming forth in that event. However, we want to focus on Elaine Thompson Herah in this current update that we're about to bring to you right now. And who really is Elaine Thompson Herah? That's what we're about to discuss now on the program, giving you her life story and actually how she rose to this stardom in her track and field career. When we return and have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV, and if it's the first time you're watching, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest report. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV, Celebrity to the Scoop, and in this report we're going to be looking on the life of Elaine Thompson Herah, her net worth, bio, career achievement, parents, coach, and much more to come in this report. So who really is this top Jamaican track star? Let's discuss that now, right now on the program. So she was born in Manchester, Jamaica on June 28, 1992. Her events that she participated in is a woman 100 meter, 200 meter, 4x100 meter relay, and the 4x200 meter relay. Her major accomplishment is that she is the 3-time Olympic gold medalist and current Olympic world record in the 100 meter. She has an estimated net worth of $4 million US. So Elaine Thompson Herah is a Jamaican track and field athlete who competes in the 100, 200, and 4x100 meter relay and 4x200 meter relay race event across some of the top tournaments in the world. She has won several accolades for her country in the recent past. The Olympics record holder is one of the fastest human on the planet, with her respective timings of 7.02 seconds in the 60 meter, 10.61 seconds in the 100 meter, and 21.06 seconds in the 200 meter. Let's know some more about this Jamaican track star, Elaine Thompson Herah. Born on June 28, 1992 in Manchester, Jamaica, Elaine Thompson Herah commenced her athletics career at a very young age. Soon after high school, she was recruited to the University of Technology, Jamaica. Her improvement steadily began under Francis, where she clocked a seasonal best of 11.41 seconds at the Gibson Relay. Since then, Thompson never looked back and has made her country proud on many occasions. As for the latest information shared by Celebrity Net Worth, Elaine Thompson Herah has an estimated net worth of $4 million US against her name. The 4-time Olympic medalist, including recent historic gold medal in the 100-meter event at the Tokyo 2020 Olympics, Thompson Herah is one of the most celebrated athletes from Jamaica. Apart from a bunch of athletic medals, the 29-year-old has branched many other milestones that include World Championship, Diamond League, and Commonwealth Games, just to name a few. Here is a list of all the accomplished medals clinched by the Jamaican track star Elaine Thompson Herah. Looking on the side of Elaine Thompson's personal life, she got married to a former athlete and coach, Thompson Herah. The duo tied the knot on November 2nd, 2019. However, they kept their relationship private before announcing their wedding in a grand style. The couple is regularly seen posting pictures and videos on their social media accounts. The Jamaican sprinter currently trains under the eyes of Stephen Francis, who was also the former coach of a legendary athlete and the compatriot of Elaine Thompson, Shelly Fraser Price. This stops the list of things that you need to know about Elaine Thompson Herah. Hope that you enjoyed watching as we enjoy broadcasting this to you. This has been Links 007 TV, and thanks for watching as always, and please remember to subscribe to the channel for the latest to come.